Hello everyone. So in this video we're going to be looking at attributes. Okay, so what are attributes? We have in HTML a tag, alright, but we can also give some formatting or some style or some extra features to a tag, and the way we do it is by using attributes. So for example, if I go ahead and say I'm going to give the OL tag, right? I'm going to give it a feature. Okay, so if I go and press space and I'm going to say type. Okay, type. So by the way, remember this is an ordered list. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can give it a type of A. Okay, now OL type A is going to be, this by the way is called an attribute, and an attribute is inside of a tag. It's not like this text. This is the text of the tag, but the attribute is inside of it. Okay, just when you declare the opening tag, you put the attribute. So by the way, that attributes are always in the opening tags. They're never ever in the end tag. Okay, they're always in the opening tag. So if I have a type of A, let's see what this does. If I save it and I press refresh, then you can see what happened. Fruits ordered would be A, B, C, D, E, F. But previously there were like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what happened? Well, we gave the ordered list and a type of A. So now it's incrementing it using the capital alphabets. Okay, so we can give it small alphabets as well. So now this is gonna now increment using alphabets, but in lowercase. So you can see A, B, C, D, E, F. And of course we can also give it Roman. So if I put an I there, Roman numerals. So we can also do using Roman numerals. Isn't that cool? Similarly, we have an attribute for the UL, the unordered list. We can say type, and I think it was type or it was shape. And we'll just check if it works with type. I can say circle. Then you can see that the type of the bullets changed. They are now circles. I can also make it square. Now they are squares. And I can make it also disk. Now they are, that's the default, I think, disk. Alright, so that's how you can change the attributes of the UL. So these are what attributes are. Now every tag has a different attribute. Okay, some of them share attributes, but some of them have their own. For example, the body tag has an attribute called BG color. Okay, now BG color I'm gonna say is equal to green, or let's make it yellow. Okay, so BG color. Now if I save and I refresh, see what happens. The background has turned yellow. So BG color is called background color. So the whole entire body tag has now a color of yellow. Alright, so the BG color tag, I don't think you'd be finding, you won't find it in the OL, you wouldn't find it in the list, would you? Let's just go ahead and check it. BG color is equal to red. Let me check if it changes. No, it doesn't. So it's not the tag that's found in the li elements, the list elements. It's only for the body tag. Okay, and then similarly you get the HTML tag. It has an attribute called lang, meaning language. Language is equal to en, something like en US. So English US, you can say English UK as well. So we're gonna say US, and then we can say we can explore some other attributes as well. Like for example, if I say, let me just change the color, this is really bothering me. I'm gonna put it back to this, and H1. Alright, so there's a tag called the title tag. Now title just gives a tooltip. So for example, title, and I'm gonna say fruits ordered. So I'm gonna say these were the fruits of a supermarket. At a supermarket should be at a supermarket. Alright, so title. Now if I hit refresh, alright, and I go back to h1, alright, so it is this one. So if I hover on there, you can see these were the fruits of the at the supermarket. So this is what the title tag does. It creates a tooltip. So just like that, there's a lot of other tags, attributes that are created. So we're gonna explore them as we keep going in our HTML journey. Okay, we're gonna explore them. We're gonna look at the image, we're going to look at the anchor tags, and we're gonna look at their attributes. Attributes are really going to be coming in handy. So yeah, I hope you're anticipating for that.